Welcome to Mithran Educational Society's Mr. Physics YouTube class. So now in this video we are going to be discuss about variation of acceleration due to gravity. That is G value already we discussed. Definitely with respect to the position of the object changes, the G value, acceleration due to gravity value will change. So here we are going to be discuss about what is the first case. The first case is effect of height on G. That means if the height of the object, position of the height of the object changes, it will affect the gravity value or not. Yeah, how do we discuss it is already, it is going to be affect. So how it is going to be affect? Okay, now first diagram we will see. Now this is mass of the earth. Okay, capital M. Now already we found the expression of the gravity G is equal to capital G M divided by R square. That means when the object which is placed on the surface of the earth, which is under the effect of the gravity, means what is the acceleration due to gravity value is G is equal to G M divided by R square. Am I right? Now it's considered as actual equation 1. Okay, now the object, it is not on the surface of the earth. Okay, right, it is going to be above the surface of the earth, right? So the mass, center of mass to the surface of the earth distance is R. Okay, so according to the Newton's universal law, from this mass to this mass, yeah, so what is the distance we should know, then only we can find the force value. Am I right? So the distance increases, the force value definitely decrease. Fine. Okay, now so from the surface of the earth to where the mass of the object, that is mass of the object in the sense that is small m. Okay, so where the mass of the object is placed in the sense that is at certain height, that is h, certain height, that is h. So we just give some name. This is origin O, this is point A, this is point B, right? So O to A, we know what is the acceleration to gravity value, that is this equation 1. Am I right? O to A in the sense, distance R in the sense, this is the formula, that is on the surface. Now it is above the surface, means we should know O to B, what is the acceleration to gravity, right? So first what we are going to be find means O to A, the distances are O to B in the sense the distance is R plus H. Am I right? Can all of you understand this one? Why I am writing like this? Because distance between the two mass bodies, right? Earth to the particular mass body, the distance is radius of the earth plus where the object is placed from the surface, that is R plus H. Okay, now so this is the distance logic. Am I right? So if the gravity value is G is equal to Gm by R square, means now if distance increases, the gravity value will change. So what the gravity value is going to change means G dash. That we are going to be fine. So I just consider as G dash. So G value will not change, M value will not change, divided by distance value change. How it is changed? R plus H. So R plus H the whole square. Right? I hope you understand this one, all of you. Right? Now we are going to be find the G dash value. That's all. This G dash formula. This R are constant. H only will change according to the numerical question. What the height from the surface of the earth it will change means you just substitute and find the answer. Okay, but what we are going to be find means we are going to be compare, right? This acceleration due to gravity value will change, right? So how it is changed, whether it will be increased or decreased from the constant value 9.8. The fixed value is 9.8. If the height of the object from the surface, it will be increased in the sense the change in gravity value, either it is increase or decrease, we need to be fine. So comparison, standard value, change in value, comparison, you are going to be fine. Okay, how? see, g dash is equal to gm divided by r plus h the whole square, right? In denominator, take r outside, take r outside. So if you are taking r outside means r square will come outside, correct? So r is coming outside means this 1 plus h divided by r the whole square. Am I right? Because r is not there. If taking outside means we should divide by r, right? Once you again substitute inside multiple, you can get the same answer, means you are taking the values correct. So r into 1, yeah, r, that is r square into 1, that is r, right? Plus again r is here means r cancel, again h will come, correct? Okay, so now this portion alone we are going to be take to the numerator. Okay, so how? See, g dash is equal to gm divided by r square plus into 1 plus h by r power minus 2, correct? Because numerator means going to denominator going to numerator, in the sense the power is going to be changed, minus. Okay, so now mostly all of you understand this step based on what we are going to be do now. Yeah, so see, it looks like binomial expression. So using binomial theorem, what is binomial theorem? That means 1 plus x the whole power minus n, in the sense that means 1 minus nx, correct? So it also looks like the same only, right? Okay, substitute the using the binomial theorem, substitute in this, right? So how it will going to be changed? See, g dash is gm divided by r square. Okay, so 1 minus 2h divided by r, 1 minus 2h divided by r, that's all. Okay, so what is the first equation we found? G is equal to gm divided by r square. Okay, here what is that? Gm divided by r square is there. Yeah, so this is equation 2, this is that is equation 1. Compare that. Okay, gm by r square, that means g is gm divided by r square. Instead of gm by r square, you can use g. So what is the answer will come? G dash is equal to g into 1 minus 2h divided by r, right? That's all. So the change in gravity value should not be equal to the initial gravity value. If the height increases, what happened to your gravity? Okay, so we will compare now. We will compare how. If the height increases, what happened? The value is going to be decreased. That means g dash value should be less than g. Am I right? Numerically substitute. Now we will see one problem. Okay, next video we will see one problem. Based on that you can understand more. So now you are going to be substitute. For example, even 1 you are going to be substitute here. Okay, definitely what is that? The g value is going to be affect 9.8 into something. Okay, less than that value. So definitely less than 9.8 only will come. Yeah, so g dash is less than g when it is on the from the surface of the earth, in the sense it will be decrease. So altitude of an object increases, the g value should be decreases. I hope you understand. Yeah, so this is very important case, remember. Okay, anyway, the acceleration due to gravity, not only in the gravitation topic, in a competitive exam they are not going to be asked. Okay, whether this topic will come in a oscillation, yeah, or in the magnetization topic. Okay, for many logics they will compare this. Okay, so try to understand that g dash is equal to g into 1 minus 2h by r. How the equation will come, in the sense, if the change in gravity value, why it is changes means because of the position of the object will change. Okay, because of the position of the object will just change, object is changed. So how it is changed? From already the constant values are distance, right? So again the distance h is increased, so r plus h the whole square. That's all. If you understand this one, means these are our numerical part. What we already did, these are our numerical part. Okay, this only helps to simplify the equation, that's all. If you are substituting the h value here or here, both are gives the same thing, same answer will come. But mathematically this formula helps you simplify the concept. Easily you can get the answer within a minute. You can get the answer by using this formula. If you are going to substitute the same value here, means it takes more time, right? Okay, so next video we are going to be discuss about the next variation of the acceleration due to gravity, that means depth, right? So thanks for watching this video. So keep support us. Thank you.